Hello viewers, I'm Jessica. Today, we bring you an exclusive interaction with Samyak Jain from Sound and Music Academy, Sama. Why should students learn music at a young age? Let's hear what Sir has to say.
Hello viewers, this is me Sakshi Shukla and you are watching the Edu Bulletin. Today we are here at Education and Career Fair 2026 at Hotel De Roses, Meerut, Kent, and with me we have Sir Samay. We have Samay from the Samay Music Academy and he is here, his stall is here and we would like to know something about the stall. Sir, कि आप क्या services provide कर रहे हैं और music में आपका कैसा interest है, आप क्या करते हैं और क्या services आप offer कर रहे हैं बच्चों को?
So my name is Samyak and we have an academy called SAMA, SAMA, Sound and Music Academy, wherein we are training students from 3 age onwards to adults for various courses including piano, drums, guitar, tabla, harmonium, vocals, dance, be it anything related to music. We have 2 flagship courses which we have launched just now. One is music production, which is a 6 months course, and one is DJing for students who wants to learn how to be a DJ. This is first time in Meerut. This is for 2 months. So this is a skill based learning that students can do, especially for students who are joining us at a young age. They have a leverage of years to come, क्योंकि एक instrument को सीखना it takes years of learning and practice. So especially for students who are young, it's best for them, even for class 10th, 11th, 12th students who want to have it as a extra skill, before going into a college to shine. So this is a perfect start for them in Meerut. We are located at Begum Bridge at Ganga Plaza on the 3rd floor.
Okay. So what kind of response you are getting from the students in this career fair?
The response is great actually. Students have mostly come for universities, but then when they see music they get excited,
Right.
because बहुत students का सपना होता है music सीखना, but बहुत students pursue नहीं कर पाते हैं उससे various reasons की वजह से. So here we have the DJ booth and various instruments here where we give them a hands-on experience कि music सीखना कैसा होता है. So बहुत students interested थे and we have called them for a free workshop so that they first come and attend a session, and if they get motivated enough then they can start their musical journey.
Right. So do you also conduct session in the schools? Right.
Yes, we do regular sessions, we do workshops, we do performances, we also have a band called Sama Band. We also perform in various college fest as a band. So yeah, we motivate them in every way possible. We regularly also have performances at our studio. Recently we did a tribute to Asha Bhosle concert where many people came from Meerut to attend who are fans of Asha ji. So yeah, we keep doing concerts and workshops related to music.
That's great. So that's something new and very exciting for the students, and all the best wishes to you. May many students come to you and get the opportunity to learn music and initiate their passion. Thank you so much for talking to the Edu Bulletin, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Save 721 707 0100 and send hi on WhatsApp for daily education news and exclusive updates from the Edu Bulletin.